What is going on, guys? So I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of this bike stand that I got from Amazon. It's very well priced. I will post the price and the link on the description below if you guys want to take a look at it and if you want to order it. I believe this stand for the price is a bargain. It's not going to be the best, sturdiest, most heavy duty stand, but I mean, for the price, it's actually really well built. So I think if you guys pick one up, you won't regret it. It's not gonna break the bank. So this is practically how the stand looks on the bike. I have no complaints so far. They come in two colors. This is the silver one, and it also comes in a I believe it's a matte finish black. But yeah, it's a great stand. Can't complain once again. The reason I got this, I have a wall mount in my office where I usually keep my bike. But this would be good if I want to do any work on the bike that doesn't require me hanging the bike. So if I want to wash it, if I want to take any pictures of the bike, I can just take the stand with me in my car. So it'll work perfect for those type of things that I'll need. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope it's useful, and I'll see you guys soon.